Okay, what's your name?
Lorelai?
Can you love your teeth?
No.
What's the worst thing people have ever said?
Boys will never like me with teeth like this and stuff.
Would you like to have them straightened?
Yes.
She told my baby dance to 3, and she looked at me, then showed a photo. Baby cried, his eyes were like mine.
I could fix that.
Awesome. Cool. Fuck yeah. Well, Miles, man. Nice to meet you.
Living on the streets
Yeah,
beforehand?
it got pretty cold this winter. I texted my dad and was like, Pops, I need some help, dog. I need to find help. This isn't working. So, I went to a homeless shelter. Holy shit. Feel, dude. Weird.
I love you, bro. I love you too, Dad.
So I have epilepsy. I had a seizure while I was curling my hair. Fell out on the floor with the curling iron still in my hair and burned the left side of my face. Because of the medicine and the falling and all of that, I basically have no back teeth. And any dentist that I've talked to is ready to just
Pull everything.
pull them out.
So that I could fix all your teeth today.
Really? Thank you so much.